Ooh la la, I see you. Please don't go, don't go, don't go. Just give me 1 second, please.
Number 1 Kenya mzima, East Africa, mambo ni hapa. Kila kitu ni tamu tamu, tamu tamu, tamu tamu zaidi.
It's a hustle, it's a hustle. For YouTube, a blog. No, it's okay, it's okay. Thank you. It's okay. Recording outside on the streets is a hustle, but the ambience is so good. The background is so beautiful. I will survive it. I will definitely survive it. Welcome to the Proud Chocolate channel. My name is Terry Chocolat. I am the founder and CEO of the Proud Chocolate Media. This is a new channel. I lost a previous one that I had here, but we are growing back, and so if you're new to this channel, you won't regret it, believe me. You won't regret it.
Mambo ni moto moto na tunaendelea mbele. Kila kitu ni tamu tamu.
If you are a subscriber that I lost with my previous channel and you're back here today, I'm so glad and thankful that you found me. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you put the notification bell on, and make sure you stay up to date. On my channel art up there, on my profile, there are links leading you to my Instagram, which is at Proud Chocolate, also Facebook at Terry Chocolat. Follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram, and let's build this community. Because I don't want to lose this channel ever again, I have reduced when it comes to music. I have cut down a bit on music, so please bear with me on that. I tell stories on this channel, stories that are relatable, things that you never hear from anybody else, things that people are shy to talk about, things that will encourage you in your life, things that will strengthen you before you leave your country to join the diaspora. And also, I share stories from young people out there, especially African people, Kenyan girls and boys, who have made it in life from very difficult backgrounds. With this channel, I'm trying to reach those of you who are desperately looking for jobs abroad, those of you who are desperately looking for partners abroad, those of you who are desperately applying for green cards. I'm trying to reach those who need facts about life in the diaspora, those who have nobody to tell them what happens once you leave your mother's house, once you leave your motherland to seek a better life abroad. Those are the kind of people I want to reach with this channel. When I was leaving Kenya for the diaspora, when I was leaving Kenya for Germany in particular, I was having very high expectations, guys. I was having expectations. Nobody really told me the other side of the diaspora. I was thinking like my skin is going to change instantly. I was thinking my poverty was going to be history like immediately. I was thinking my level, my life, my status, my class was going to like rise like that. All I saw was positivity, and that is what attracted me to the diaspora. Immigrants make the diaspora. Immigrants, for me, make the diaspora. And diaspora is challenge. Diaspora is toughness. Diaspora is a hustle. Diaspora is accepting that you're not home. Diaspora is not home. Please take a few minutes, choose a video on this channel that attracts you first, watch it, listen to it, however long it is, just be patient. I promise you won't regret it. And if you subscribe and stay here, God bless you. Thank you so much. Be sure of many videos.
Proud Chocolates.